I definitely felt that there were a lot of improvements to the workflows in SolidWorks 2024. I'm looking forward to use a lot of them. Some of the simple things like, to be able to select and create your sketches and not be constrained within the dimensions and relations that, people immediately actually add, but then be able to just create a sketch free flow without any restrictions and then come back and add dimensions to it and relations to it just by the click of the mouse is something pretty great.
My favorite is going to be the dimensioning. I'm gonna have to say that's probably worth moving to 2024 for if literally there were no other enhancements in the software itself. It's gonna save a lot of people a lot of time. I can't even fathom. Not to mention the sheer amount of hitting the escape button to exit out of the dimension command that people will save. Forget just the right clicks.
Adding anti-rotation to your mate reference, I think is going to be a pretty game changer because I don't want my fastener moving about after I assemble it, and I just want to drag and drop and for the fastener to find its way. So these things improve the time you take or reduce the time you take to create a complex assembly drastically, I feel.
There's a D feature that they came up with, which means that in a model, if I have some IP information in that, I can defeature that, create a configuration, or I can pull it out. That's something that has always been top priority. We can't send out a model because we don't want to give away the IP, right? And there you go. They created a way to handle that. Dealing with the drawing has always been an issue. It's just mind-blowing.
What I see in the past couple of years, it's really a lot of wow changes every year. I think SolidWorks is evolving much faster now than before.
So many times where people just, that's how I've always done it, which is my least favorite phrase on earth. Yeah, and you have some of those people too, they're still using SolidWorks the exact same way they did in SolidWorks 2000. What we were capable of a long time ago and what we're capable of now, if you're not evolving with the technology, then you're getting left behind.